Yes, good morning children. Welcome back to our science class. Today we are discussing the topic, we are in block 13, that is about the cooking food. Okay, cooking food is our topic today. And note down the keyword children: raw, cooked, frying, steaming, boiling, baking and grilling. These are the keywords for today. Okay children, just you can I'm going to say something to you. Just you can imagine, I have some guests. They are coming for dinner to my home in 10 minutes. Okay, just you can think and tell me they are coming to my home for dinner in just 10 minutes. And I have some food items like apple, tomato, cucumber and milk and potato. Okay, these are the food items I have now. Okay, on which these food items, which I can serve on the plates directly. Can you tell me? Yes, I can serve apple, tomato and cucumber without cooking. Yes, because we can eat them raw. Yes, because these food items we can eat them raw. Means without cook. But I cannot serve this potato without cook, right? I cannot serve potato without cook. We have to cook this. We have to cook potato, and not only potato, so many vegetables also we have to cook before eat. Yes, and milk has to boil. Before drinking the milk and before I am serving the milk, I have to boil. Yes, okay children. Can you tell me some food items which we can eat raw? Okay, can you tell me some food items before cooking? Yes, so many are there, like nuts. So many nuts, means cashew nuts, almonds, we can eat that raw only. Yes, without cook only we can eat that. And some food items like cucumber and tomato also you can eat raw only. Yes, so many people likes to eat tomato without cook only. Even I also like to eat tomato without cook only. And can you tell me some more food items without cook you can eat, you like to eat? And fruits also, so many fruits we can eat without cook only. Yes. And now, these are the food items we can eat raw. And now you can tell me which food items I can eat after cook. Which food items can be cooked? Tell me. Like vegetables and grains, pulses also, even pulses also have to be cooked. Yes, already we know that pulses have to be not only pulses, vegetables, grains, these all food items can be cooked before we eat. Okay, okay children, tell me why we have to cook this food, why we have to cook this food, what is the reason? Yes, we have to cook these food items to make the food items soft. Cooking food make it soft and easy to digest. Okay, cooking makes food soft and easy to digest also. Okay, without cooking we can't eat this food item. If you eat that without cook, you may fall sick. Okay, if you eat these food items without cook, you may fall sick. Even we fall sick also. Okay, but you know children, when we are cooking this food item, the nutrition values of the food item will decreases. Okay, nutrition values of the food item will decreases. And one more advantage is there. If we cook the food, the gills will germ. Sorry, the germs will kill. Okay, these are the advantages of cooking food. To make it soft, cooking makes the food soft and and easy to digest and germs will kill in the food item that were present. Okay. Try to eat the food item most possible. You can eat it raw only. Okay. Now we are moving to the cooking methods. Already we discussed that we have to cook some food items. Yes, we have to cook some food items. Now we are discussing that cooking methods. Cooking methods. Yes, cooking method means some of the food items can be boiled and some of the food items can be roasted and some of the food items can be steamed like that. Okay, now I am telling you cooking methods. Mainly we have 5 types of cooking methods. One is frying. Okay, first one is frying and second one is steaming and third one is boiling and next one is baking and finally last one is grilling. Yes, these are the different cooking methods. Okay, these are the different cooking methods. Okay, I am going to write some food items here. You have to tell me how can I cook these food items. Okay, and potato and chicken, milk, idli and okay, these are the food items. How can I cook these food items? Tell me what methods I have to use these food items to cook. Yes, first we will move to the potato. First, potato has to be boiling. Okay, boiling means you have to pour the food item in the water. Okay, you have to pour the food item in the water and you can take that kettle onto the fire. Okay, that is the boiling. Frying, we can do potato chips also. How we have to make a potato slices and we have to pour the potato slices into the deep oil. Okay, we have to pour the food item on the oil. Okay, that is frying method. And steaming means we can make idlis in home. We can see that idlis will cooked by steaming only. Okay, means you have to keep the food item on the boiled water. Okay, that is the steaming. And grilling, in the grilling process we have to keep the food item directly on the fire. Mostly non-veg items like chicken will prepare by these methods. Okay, by the grilling only. Now baking means we have to use the ovens. Nowadays so many people have ovens in our home, right? We can make so many different types of cake with the method of baking. Okay, these are the different methods of cooking methods. Okay, but these all are okay, but frying is not good because in the frying method we can use so many oil, but oil contains so many fat, but so fat is not good for our health, so we can say that frying is not good for health, but steaming is good. Okay, steaming is the good method in cooking method. Cooking in all cooking methods is steaming and boiling, both are the best methods. Okay.
Yes, children, now you can open your content book. Cooking food, raw and cooked food. We need to live. Some type of food can be eaten raw, while others need to be cooked. Most fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw. Many vegetables, pulses, grains, meat and fish need to be cooked. Cooking makes the food soft and easy to digest. It also kills germs present in the food. Food tastes good after cooking. Here you can see the food items: apples, tomatoes, and so many dry fruits. We can eat that raw only. Okay, without cooking only we can eat that. Here you can see the image of the food items that need to be cooked, like some vegetables, grains, and pulses. We have to cook that before eating. And not only this, we can most of the vegetables, cereals, and pulses have to be cooked before eating them. When we cook these food items, they are easier to digest. Okay, if these are eaten raw, they can make people sick. And one more thing, cooking improves the taste and it kills the germs in the food also, but it also reduces the nutrients in the food. So we get all the nutrients if eat food raw only. If possible, we should try not to cook and eat food that can be eaten raw only. Okay. Actually, here you can see different methods of cooking. There are many different ways of cooking food. Some ways are boiling, steaming, frying, baking, and grilling. These are the some different methods of cooking food. First, see the boiling. The food is cooked by boiling it in water. For example, potatoes and pulses are be boiled. Now, steaming. The food is cooked using steam from water. Idlis and momos are steamed only. Here you can see some more methods of cooking food. Frying. The food is put in the hot oil. Vadas and chips are fried here. Here in this picture you can observe clearly. And grilling. The food is cooked directly with the heat from coal. The coal could be above or below the food to be grilled. Naan and paneer tikka are grilled. And baking. The food is cooked in an oven. Cakes, breads and biscuits are baked. Okay. And so not only not only that food items, even rice also can be cooked in rice can be cooked. We can boil the rice and we can boil the dal and rajma also. Okay. Some the vegetables can be kept, some of the vegetables can be baked, and we can even shallow fry also, which means using less oil. We can use milk to make a sweet dessert also. Okay, children, now you can open your volume. See S1, raw and cooked food. Complete the table. Food that can be eaten raw and food that needs to be cooked. You have to write the food items, which food items we can eat raw and which food items we have to be cooked before eating. And see the second question. Why do we cook rice and grains? Why do we cook rice grains? And see the third question. Which is easier to digest, eating a raw tomato or a cooked tomato? Why? See the third question once again. Which is the easier to digest, eating a raw tomato or a cooked tomato? Why? See the fourth question. Name a dish that can be made without cooking. What food items would you use to make this dish? Once again, name a dish that can be made without cooking. What food items would you use to make the dish? Now you can see the S2 children cooking methods. First question, which cooking method is shown in each picture? Here you have a help box also. Baking, frying, boiling and steaming. These are the different types of cooking methods. Already we know that, right? Here some images are there, some pictures are there. You have to write that. And see the second question. Write the names of any two food items that are cooked using these methods. Here you can see the methods of cooking: baking, boiling, steaming, frying. Yes, already we know that these are the methods of cooking, right? And you have to write the two dishes. By the baking, which food items we can make, like that. Okay. And see the third question. If you want to make a dish using a paneer, would you fry paneer or bake the paneer? Why? Once again, if you want to make a dish using paneer, would you fry paneer or bake the paneer? Why? Okay children, that is the volume. Read the content book and complete the S1 and S2, and you can submit it by in 2-3 days. Okay, thank you.